drowning in PDFs and Word docs this school year? Don't just read them, talk to them. This AI-powered study buddy can summarize lengthy readings, translate text instantly, and check your grammar in seconds. It's more than a PDF tool. It's your all-in-one companion for studying smarter. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get educational. This school year, take your productivity to the next level with Wondershare PDFelement, the all-in-one tool that the cool teachers and students swear by. From editing and annotating to organizing your files, it keeps you on top of every assignment and lesson plan. You can use it anywhere, Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android, or right in your browser. And right now, you could try it for free. Just hit the link in the description and see how much easier your schoolwork can be. Now let me show you some cool stuff you can do with it. I'm going to open up a PDF because I want to show you how you can edit on a PDF. Now, if you don't notice, you can't edit on a PDF. If you're a professor, teacher, an attorney, anyone who works with PDFs, you can't edit on them. But with PDFelement, you can edit on this PDF. So I'm about to open up a math worksheet with math word problems on it. And I'm going to show you how simple it is to edit on it with PDFelement. This is very important. This is very significant because if you're a professor, you're a teacher, and you're teaching different classes, you might want to change the class number on the form, on the worksheet. If it's a different date, you gave it 6 months ago and you want to give it again, you want to change the date. This is how you do it. So I'm going to show you. This is amazing and I love this. Okay, so let me show you. If you ever deal with papers, and I don't care if you're an attorney or an accountant and you need to change some information, this is how you do it. So now this is the 11th grade word problem worksheet. You see it says 2019 on it. I also have the answer key. This is a math field day worksheet. I can change. Look what I'm doing. I just changed the date. You see that from 2019 to 2025. Here I'm changing information. The sum of two. I just changed it again. You see what I just did? I could change numbers. I can change anything I want on a PDF thanks to PDFelement. So that's what I'm trying to show you. I just changed from 162. I could change it to 2,260. I could do 269 per night. I can change the percentage on sales tax. Anything can be changed now. I can make new word problems for my math class. Now, this is significant for me as well because I also tutor. So this is so important to be able to change my worksheets. Now, I'm going to show you. I go to images on the PDFelement page and I can add an image. I can add an image to my PDF. Now I'm looking for a calculator. So now watch how I add an image and it generated an image. Now, what's so fantastic about this is that I can just put this right on the worksheet and refresh maybe an old worksheet I used last year. And I can just freshen it up by changing an image or two on it. Also, I could take out the background. Look at the background of the calculator. Look at that. Now I just took out the background and look, I just made this a whole new worksheet for another math class. I changed some word problems, some dates. I changed the formulas, some of the numbers in the formula. I went from a certain amount of nights to another amount of nights. I changed the sales tax on it. I did all of that. And I just made it a brand new worksheet. You could change the answer key on it. But instead of you redoing a whole new worksheet, you could just do a little bit here, a little bit there to change it. So now it's a brand new worksheet for a new class. So it saves so much time. If you're a professor, you're a teacher, this makes sense. Okay, so now I'm about to summarize a PDF. Here's a chapter, a very long one, okay? It's all about history. And this is great, the Americans, Europe, and African before 1492. If you want it to summarize, PDFelement can summarize this whole chapter for you. So if you're a student, you have to truly appreciate this. This is going to really help you study and understand what you are reading so much better. You're gonna go from B's to A's. Trust me. This will help you with your grades. Now I'm asking, can it make me flashcards? Because see, I love flashcards and I love to quiz myself over and over to make sure I understand it. And it is making flashcards. It is making flashcards before my eyes, and it's telling me what pages they use to get these cards made, these flashcards. This is amazing. So you can even go back to the page and say, let me make sure this flashcard, and you can go in deeper on that page. Boom. I took that information, I went over to Quizlet, and I made flashcards now. Thanks to PDFelement, now I have flashcards. I can quiz myself. As a parent, I can quiz my kids. As a student, I can quiz myself, quiz my friends to make sure they understand it. This is amazing. And if you're a teacher, you can use this. This is simply incredible. Do you understand what I just did? Did you see I made flashcards off a chapter, summarized it, and now it gave me the pages. So if I want to go back and go, I don't understand that answer, and I need to go back in, I could go to that page and it can break it down even further for me. This is a no-brainer if you're a student. If you are a mom, you can help your kids with this. So your kids can pull up their grades. This is, these chapters become very long. Some of them 200 pages long, 300 pages. This can help you understand what you are learning, what you are reading. And that was awesome. Okay, so now I have a U.S. history facts, and I want to show you, I could translate this into almost any language. Look at the different languages. Czech, Chinese. Look at this. Greek. Portugal. Look at this. Spanish. Let's do Spanish. They have so many languages. This is incredible. And I'm going to do the fast translate. Look how fast that was. Look how fast that was. Look, side by side. Look at this. Incredible. This is wonderful if you teach other languages and you want to teach people American history, but in their language. This is what you need. If you have documents that you need someone to sign and you want it in their language, this is what you need. Look at this. I did the professional translation. Look at this. And it keeps the same style, the same picture, everything. See, just the information changed into the language that you preferred or language that you chose. Not the information, just the language. This is wonderful. So now you can help other people in other languages learn. They can read it in their language. If they need to sign papers, they can read it in their language. If you're teaching in another language, if you're a tutor, you can tutor it in other languages. If you're a student and you don't understand the homework that your teacher gave you, now you can translate this into your language. Do you see how incredible this is? Now we're going to all tools in the right hand corner. It's in blue. Do you see it? I just clicked on it. Okay. Now I'm going down to PDF grammar check. All right. And I am opening up a paper that was poorly written. Okay. So now they're going to fix it. And wow, They did a great job. Do you see the difference? It rained a lot in 1816 on the left-hand side. It rained a lot in 1816. Like every day, they spelt weather wrong. Over here, like every day on the right-hand side, the weather was spelled correct. Switzerland wasn't spelled correct. Switzerland is spelled correct on the right-hand side. It spotted every error on that paper. If you're a student, you're going to need that. And it goes on and on and on. It was so many errors on that paper. You're going to need to, when you write a paper, if you're a student, if you do not use PDFelement, shame on you. Don't you dare hand in a paper without getting your grammar checked by PDFelement. I would never do that. You have to take pride in your work, in your writing. Teachers do not want to read that nonsense. You need to take your time and give that paper to PDFelement to get the best grades you can get. Okay, so I'm going to all tools. Click on that first. And then I'm going to, let's see, convert to Word. Okay, so you click on that. And now you see you have the file name, all that information. And there's what I opened up. Okay, what is science? Now I'm going to convert this into a Word doc. You have so many different formats you can convert it to. Look at all the different formats. Boom, there you go. Look at this. It's a Word doc. And what's so amazing, I can type on it. See, I just changed science. I can change anything on this Word doc. Let's see what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to change a picture, image. All right, so I can put my name on it. And I'm going to change that fish. Okay, let me scroll down to it. Right there. I'm going to change that image. Okay, cute. But we can always change it. This is great if you're a teacher or a student and you have to change your doc. Look at this. Let's change it. You can get another image. And there you go. I have a goldfish now, right? And you can change out what it is. Goldfish. Look at that. And now you can fix up your Word doc, do whatever you got to do. If your teacher's asking for specific things, or if you are a teacher and you're giving out these papers, these assignments, now you can change it according to what you taught for the day. Now I have this PDF that I opened, and I want to show you that you can do a lot on this page. If you're a student, you need to be doing this. If you're not, watch what I'm doing so I can show you. So if your grades are not that great, your grades should be going up significantly if you do this, what I'm about to show you, about highlighting your papers that you're reading, annotating on the side, writing notes. This is something that you learn in English 101 if you're in college. This is something you should be doing. If you're in high school, you should be already doing this as well. You should be already highlighting the important parts and annotating. And you can do this with PDFelement on the PDFs. You can do this if you open it up, your PDF on this platform, you can mark it up, highlight important parts. This is a great way to study or to break down something new that you don't understand. And let me show you how. I am going to show you what I could do with this science PDF form, this article I'm highlighting. And there's so many colors you can highlight it in. Green, red, yellow, purple, blue. I'm highlighting it. Look at that. Okay. And I'm annotating. You see where it says view, underneath view, that little button right there. I clicked on that. And now I'm taking notes. Science is fun. There's so many facets. Look at this. So now I'm annotating. I'm writing notes on the side. Okay. It's so important to be able to do that so you don't remember certain facts that's on that page. If you do this, I'm telling you, your grades will go up, and you'll be able to understand more what you're reading, because now you're highlighting the important parts. It might be the teacher might be telling you, okay, this part of the paper is going to be on the test. Certain parts are going to be on the test. Highlight it. Highlight it when you know, so you know what parts to study, what parts to really go in on. If the teacher is emphasizing certain parts of the article, please highlight that. Please annotate, write notes on the side. This is significant. This part of the article is important. This might be on a test. I'm telling you, it's a great way to study. I know. Okay, so another great tool, another great tip I'm giving you. For teachers, PDFelement keeps lessons, resources, and gradings organized in one place. For students, it makes tackling assignments, research, and notes faster and easier. No matter how you learn or teach, it's built to help you succeed. Click the link down below to download PDFelement for free and start trying out its features. Don't forget to check their big back to school sale. You'll be glad you did. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with PDFelement. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.